Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to find the fuse box in a 2002 Toyota Sequoia. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to disconnect the power source for your right rear view mirror. How do you actually go ahead and find its fuse box so you can actually disconnect that fuse? Now this video is going to be short and sweet and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is it's easier if you actually go ahead and open up your door, the driver's side door, and let's actually go ahead and turn off the car. And so the fuse box is actually going to be located in this right here. So if you pull this latch out, that right there is going to be the fuse box. And so I use pliers to actually go ahead and remove the fuse that I want to disconnect from the car system. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the fuse box in a 2002 Toyota Sequoia. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.